What's good, you guys? In today's video, we are putting in the eBay headers that I just bought. Finally, this car is gonna be extremely loud. All right, yo boys, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack up the car just so I can slip right underneath. Something that freaking sucks about using this small ass one, bro. God, it takes freaking forever to jack it up every single time. Just got the car jacked up. I think we're gonna take this off and then take this one off too, just so we can get the O2 sensors for both sides. Alright, now the absolute worst part, taking out all the studs all underneath there. Got all the nuts right there. I think I'm missing two or three from the bottom, but I'm gonna get those when I go under the car to take off the engine mount. I'm gonna take off that bolt right there. I think it's a 16. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it on and hopefully it fits. All right, so we got engine jacked up. Next, we are going to take each one those engine mounts out. Bro, whoever had this car last, bro, like, look at these leaks. Oh well, it's bound to happen with the 17-year-old car, 20-year-old car, whatever. All right, we have all of the engine mount bolts out. Now let's see if we can get this out of here. We have the motor mount out. We have front header all the way out pretty much. I think what we're gonna do next is undo the rest of the exhaust and then undo the bolts here, bend this one down, and then get the bolts on the inside right over there. I should be able to pull it out. Let's see if we can get this thing off. See, what's funny about doing this is it's not difficult, it's just extremely time consuming. Let's see. Oh, thank God. And about an hour later, finally get, oh my God. About an hour later, finally get the header out. Got both headers out now. Pulling out the O2 sensor, putting it in the new one. Can we just take a second to look how ugly that is compared to this, bro? I think it's time to put them in. If they don't fit, I'm just gonna have to rethink my life decisions. Let's hope it fits. If it doesn't, man, this is gonna make me cry. Alright, y'all boys, it is the next day. I went to sleep at 6 o'clock. No way I forgot to put this in. Just kidding. I am gonna be able to start her soon. I just need to tighten the motor mount and that's about it. All right, so we got the headers to fit good. Got the engine mount in. Now, as like with the other pair that I got, it doesn't fit. I ended up capping off both of these points because I'm not gonna use that. I actually have a spacer right here that I'm gonna put right there, and then I'm gonna jack up the exhaust just a little bit just so I can fit it right there, and then it should be good to start. All right, you guys, so about 16 hours later, we finally have the headers in, bro. It took so much blood, sweat, and tears, but finally time to start it. Let's hope it doesn't have an exhaust leak, and let's hope it sounds good. Bro, you guys, this thing sounds so much better. Listen to this. To be honest, guys, from the inside, it's really not that loud. Like, I'll downshift to third. cruising like this, it's really not that bad. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys like this video, if you guys like the exhaust, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in